Man, my kids love some spaghetti and meatballs. They always asking me, Daddy, when you gonna make spaghetti and meatballs? Daddy, when you gonna make spaghetti and meatballs? Yeah, I got something for all y'all today. Today we're gonna make a big old meatball, and inside we're gonna stuff it with the spaghetti. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around. So guys, all we're gonna do is take our regular meatball recipe, whatever your favorite recipe is, and you just multiply it by like 10 million, all right? So right here, I have ground pork and I have ground beef. Now, whatever your meatball recipe is, you can use whatever kind of meat you want. It's called meatball, so whatever meat you want, all right? So then I'm gonna take garlic, however much you want, salt and pepper, a cup of breadcrumbs. Now I use the Italian breadcrumbs, but some people like to use bread, okay? I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna take some fresh parsley that I cut up. It's some regular parsley. You wanna use dry, you could. Any herbs you like, you can put in here at this time. So I put all that parsley in there. And then I'm gonna take some Italian seasoning. Now, this Italian seasoning, that's why I like to use it, because it's all the herbs mixed up all in one. So it saves you a couple of steps. And then I'm gonna take about a cup of milk, okay? There we go. Now, what I'm gonna do now is mix this all together, and then I'm gonna shape it like how I want, but I'll show you guys all that. We're gonna have a little fun, might get a little dirty, but it's gonna be worth it at the end. Stick around, guys. All right, so what I did was made a meatball, right? Big old meatball, right? But check this out. I wanna be able to stuff it, right? So I'm gonna use this bowl as a canvas. So what I'm gonna do is press up on the side of the bowl. This is how I'm gonna be able to stuff my meatball, okay? Now, guys, I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna stuff this bad baby. Gonna have some fun today, baby. Man, this giant meatball is almost ready, real simple. So what I did was took some spaghetti, tossed it in some marinara sauce, boom, spaghetti. All right, now I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese and put it like right at the bottom of this, okay? And then I'm gonna take my spaghetti, put it inside just like that. And then you know what we're gonna do next, right? We're gonna close this bad baby because we having spaghetti and meatballs. So all I'm gonna do is take this and shape it up how I want it. Fold it over and have a nice stuffed meatball. All right, I'll meet you guys over here once I get it closed up, and we're gonna enjoy this meatball. All right, guys, so I had a little bit of a technical difficulty because it was a little wet. So I came back and added a little bit more breadcrumbs just to be able to work it, all right? So add another half a cup of breadcrumbs to that. And what I'm doing now is shaping it up. And then it's easy from here. It just goes in the oven. Look at that big old pretty meatball with the spaghetti stuffed inside. You guys can do this, put it in the oven, go upstairs, get little Johnny ready, you know, get little Lucy ready for bed. Dinner time, all right? This going in the oven 40 minutes, 375. Hey, camera guys, it's time to bring this spaghetti stuffed meatball out of the oven. Oh man, it is so delicious looking. Look at that meatball right there, full of flavor. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is take a little bit of marinara sauce, okay, and just pour it over the top like this here. All right, and we're gonna let it run down a little bit, guys. And then I'm gonna take some mozzarella cheese. Just like that, you know, make it rain, you know? Y'all see that? And then I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese. And then guys, I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another minute, let that cheese melt, and we're gonna plate this beautiful plate. Cannot wait! Meatball stuffed with spaghetti. Topped with cheese and marinara. Oh, y'all see that? How good does that look, guys? So what I have right here, I just already have the marinara on the plate. And what I'm gonna do is, man, camera guy, check this out. I'm gonna take the meatball and just put it right on the plate, just like such. Oh yeah, and the kids ain't gonna be asking for no spaghetti and meatballs, cause man, we got it right here for them, all in one. You guys see that, how easy that is? Take some parsley right here and just set it on top just like that, guys. And then we're gonna cut into this sucker. How good does that look? Beautiful. Spaghetti and meatball. Yes. All right, man, y'all know what I did. Took that meatball, wrapped it around some spaghetti. I took spaghetti and meatballs and flipped it. Spaghetti and meatballs, and made meatballs and spaghetti. Well, spaghetti and meatballs, yeah. Spaghetti and anyway, let's get into this thing. So, man, I'm gonna take a cut like this here, and a cut like that there. Are you serious, chef? Check this out, y'all. I'm gonna pull this out like that there, and look at it. Look at it, nice and steaming with the spaghetti on the inside. Y'all see that? How about I cut all the way down the middle? Y'all see that spaghetti stuffed meatball? Man, who the man? Who is the man? But man, sometimes it gotta taste as good as it look. You know what I'm saying? So I take, y'all see that right there? Man, look at that. Got the spaghetti stuffed inside the meatball with the cheese. Oh man, take that like that. You know I gotta taste this for y'all. Man, here we go. First of all, that meatball has so much flavor. This is way, way better than I thought it was gonna be. Nice flavor of meatball, nice little bit of heat to it. That spaghetti, just taste it over the top. And that cheese. This is so good, guys. Man, let me get another bite. Definitely an 8. Definitely a 10. You guys need to try this recipe. Man, it is so good. I'm talking flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. Wow, delicious. Thank you guys for following me and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate that. And like I always tell you guys, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Charge it by like 10 million, okay? So right here I got a pound of pork, wow. A pound of ground beef and a pound of ground turkey. Nope, that's not turkey, that's pork. Not yet, man, I'm sweat. I don't want people to see me sweat, man. Let me do the hair and makeup, cause you know, I got to practice, Seger, you know, for the real thing, you know. I'm looking alright, you know, Thank you, I appreciate it, man. All right, let's re-roll that.